Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Jetta S with the manual transmission. This is also part of our Earth Day special due to the amazing fuel economy and very low emissions of this vehicle. This specific car stickers for $20,535 as fitted with the 6-speed manual, finished in pure white and Titan black cloth interior. If you don't want the manual, there is also an 8-speed automatic with Tiptronic in sport mode that is available as an $800 option. Powering this vehicle is a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 147 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. This car is also fitted with the driver assistance package that features blind spot monitoring, rear traffic alert, forward collision warning with emergency braking, and as well as heated side mirrors, which is an excellent feature for our cold winter mornings here in New England. This car also has a 13.2 gallon fuel tank that provides this car with 30 miles per gallon in the city, 40 miles per gallon on the highway, and 34 miles per gallon combined, which is amazing given how this is not a hybrid vehicle. Also available are automatic headlights as well as LED headlights for when you're driving at night. Visibility is not an issue whatsoever. In the trunk you have 14.1 cubic feet of space, which is a ton for the segment. All in all, the total vehicle weight is 2,897 pounds. So, I'm going to finish up this walk around and then we'll get started for the drive of this amazing 2020 Jetta. Alright, and now on to the drive portion. So just from the quick get together, getting the vehicle to this location here, I have determined that it is a lot of fun to drive. This car is an absolute blast. Interior is really nice. As you can see, this one, as stated before, is fitted with the 6-speed manual. Throws are nice and short for what this is. It's a lot of fun to drive. Because this is an Earth Day special, I left the center screen on energy consumers. You can change it to the data, sense start, the status of the vehicle. Let's go ahead and try this, and I'll also put it into eco mode. The clutch is really easy to manage, very predictable, it's nice and light. It's an excellent around town car too. And we'll go ahead and show you the power of this vehicle. and look at those economy numbers. That's maintenance throttle. It's just crazy how much of a bargain this car really is. I mean, you have your touchscreen, you have everything you would ever need in this vehicle. It's absolutely awesome. And it has a great amount of power. I'm not begging for power. This is a really, really fun car to drive. And even with the low rolling resistance tires, this handles really, really well. Also, in the upper corner of the center infotainment screen on the dashboard, you have a gear indicator to let you know what gear you should be in, what gear you're currently in. And if the vehicle decides, hey, you should be in a gear lower, it will pop up and with an arrow pointing down to 3, or whatever gear is the next lowest. Or if it decides that in order for better fuel economy, you can be in a higher gear, it will display that higher gear for you. All the switches, dials, everything's very, very nice to use. No complaints in that department either. So this vehicle really shows that if you want to save the planet, you do not have to sacrifice driving fun. This is an excellent car, tons of fun to drive, and an excellent daily driver. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.